So we put in our tomato paste and make sure you just really cook it really well because it's with tomato so that the food will not spoil easily. And with this, I also put some cheese. You can put grated cheese or mozzarella cheese. Just helps enhance the flavor and thicken your sauce too. And then we're just gonna stir it. Yeah, and then after that, once you stir it in, you can put your capsicum or bell pepper. Konti na lang, malapit na itong maluto. Yan, luto na siya. And I'll show you the finished product. Ayan, ito na ang ating finished product, ang beef afritada or menudo. Don't forget to share and subscribe and like my YouTube channel, Ginger's Kitchen, and also on Facebook, which is also entitled Ginger's Kitchen, and also you can find it on Instagram. Okay, goodbye, God bless.